Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to Alseef, Dubai. There is a tallest Christmas tree located. So we are going there by ship. So we are taking this boat ride in 2 dirhams from Abra. You can punch your NOL card and then go. Wow, what a view! You can enjoy with me in this vlog. Stay continued. There is a Christmas tree. I'm excited to see. So we are reach here in just 2 to 5 minutes. The distance is tiny distance. Too much crowd is there because this is a Sunday, 22 December. Oh my god, this is amazing. I've never seen this tallest tree before in my life.
Christmas tree.
Super cool. What an art. Beautiful. There's a Santa and there's a long queue to take picture with Santa. So I'll skip this session.
अरे तुझे बोलता तो नहीं है कौन नहीं बोलते ये बंदा इसे बोलता थे इकडे इकडे तो हलतात कौन बोलता है सेंटर में बात बाय करतात सेंटर
Here's the Santa.
त्याच्या बाजूला बसून फोटो काढतात
Light up your holidays. You can visit there, you can enjoy. We're having a lot of fun there. Must visit here. Bye. Take care and like and subscribe my vlog. Thank you for watching. I'm going to home by Barjaman metro station.